guys, this is Jemimah and welcome back to another video. Today I'm not playing any video game, instead I'm making a mini vlog kind of a thing, just for a day, for a change from all the gaming videos where I take you guys out with me on a trip. We'll be going to the south of Goa and it'll mostly be beach, food, and roaming around in the car. But I also wanted to say thank you for all the love and support on the channel. The 97 subscribers, I know it's not a lot to most YouTubers, but I am super grateful for it. And also the views and the likes, thank you all so much for it. But I will see you guys in a while on the road trip.